What up, y'all? It's your boy Cliff. What I'm about to show y'all is epically hilarious. My head of security, man, Black Nasty, he got released at midnight last night. Y'all take a look. I don't know what the hell kind of noise that is. Like, what the fuck? Sound like a dying animal. Till next time, y'all.